Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CVSI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, and then it managed to work its way back up there. Sure, there's still a lot more work that needs to be done, but still, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, nice movement, but that does lead to the more than valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And to my mind, it all revolves around this area down here at $2.45. Why is $2.45 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.45. If the price were to go down to that area, and then when it gets there, just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that would literally be putting the price right back inside of these lows of the chart where it's already been before. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this scenario? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have those lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, the quote-unquote progress point being at $2.45. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, just keep an eye on the purple line up there, the 50-period simple moving average. I get it, that line's quite a bit of ways up there. Keyword being moving, though, so as next week plays out, that line will move itself further and further downwards. So watch that. But all in all, at least in my opinion right now, top priority at this point is not breaking levels of resistance. Top priority more so is just going through some healthy consolidations now and starting to build upon these gains. But all in all, anyway, look at it. Great bounce today. Now it's just a question of can the price build upon this momentum next week. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.